Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Meghalaya Rambai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: Joint Action Committee against Umlaper Hydroelectric Project urges cancellation of project. The Sinjuk Ginongsan Shar Shnong Kabri Uhnyotrap and North-East Students Organization discuss on amendment of the 6th schedule of the Constitution. Conglomeration of all Janta Hills NGOs will organize a Black Flag Peace Rally. SBI Shillong Zonal Office donates food items to Open Day Shelter at Omkadat Nomansong in Shillong. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Tuesday said that through entrepreneurship, the potential of the state's rich natural resources can be harnessed. Speaking at the graduation ceremony of Cohort 1 entrepreneurs and onboarding ceremony of Cohort 2 entrepreneurs selected under CM's E-Championship at Tree House Tura, the Chief Minister said that the government is committed to promote entrepreneurs and create an enabling environment of opportunities. During the event, two noted entrepreneurs from Assam shared their experience on their entrepreneurial journey. The entrepreneurs from CM's E-Championship 2020 batch Cohort 1 shared their experiences during the conclave and expressed their gratitude to the government. They said that through the program, they were supported financially as well as technically to take forward their enterprises. Most of the graduates from the program had happy memories to share. They said that such program initiated by the government will promote entrepreneurs and youth talent of the state. The graduates were also given E-Championships award by the Chief Minister during the conclave.
Like if somebody tells me that that I need I need renewable energy in my house. So I don't want somebody to come and supply me plates and those photovoltaic cells and all those things. I want somebody to come and set up the whole thing for me, give me the solution, buy the products from the market, get the software, put on the net metering, give me the whole solution, not that product. So in today's world, entrepreneurs will have to see yourself as solution providers. So in music also, you can be solution providers. Today people are looking for people who can help in different kind of music aspects that are there. Can our musicians also play a role in being able to tie up with national level musicians, international level musicians with the help of technology and provide the talent, the music that you have inside you to help an industry, maybe the Bollywood industry or even Hollywood industry, which may be requiring musicians who can support. So you need to start getting into an entrepreneurial mode even for music. I think music has a huge potential and we should get into that aspect of music also and try to see how entrepreneurship can be brought into the arena of music as well. So,
Assam police deployed at Umlaper on the Meghalaya-Assam border last night manhandled the youth of Umlaper while plying on the vehicle through the area. The Assam police, who erected the police check gate at Umlaper after the departure of CRPF, last night stopped the vehicle of these youths and after checking the vehicle, beat up the youths before allowing them to pass through. To retaliate the unfortunate incident, the angry people of Umlaper rushed to the spot and destroyed the Assam police check gate at Umlaper. The people also demanded that the Assam police should immediately leave the place. When the MDC got the information about the incident, he immediately informed the Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi District to take a serious note of the incident. With his information, the Deputy SP of Maula Snai Police Outpost, SP, Deputy SP and Magistrate rushed to the spot. The SP of Mamran, West Karbi Anglong, also reached the spot to settle the matter.
Ba kadon gajing ya kelumar hang ni kadau jong gajing ya kelumar hang ni kadai gajing don gini ke polis hang ni I hagi tu gisngi gini ke CRP kilami nonang ni adin gajing ya keren baro arngut ki SP jong gari bohoi bat ke hamran plus ru nagaliang jong ka sarkar jala jong iru kala simkhiai adin gajing ya kendo bat Chief Minister ini ke CRPF kilami no.
After a brief discussion, the Assam police apologized to the youth for the misunderstanding between them.
Nakaliang jong ki pulit ki ba syong hang ni ki syok ya wei ukna kasi jong kidon arngot kali but wei pade de bala syak syok ko wei pot ko kidon hadot laingot ikani ke jing syok ke jong ki kala penmi ke jing kelumar but menem step dang step prawaje ngalayo ke jing tip ban ngawan hang ni mentah ban ngalapoi na do mene kapor step si post deng tu ban haga jing poi jung ah ni ngai I bo pai ba nong song snong jong ni kilai teli snong ka pedeng telej ka umat bat ka Umlaper kilai adon hang ni kilai pen prai kini ka gate ka basna do pulit jong ka Assam bat kilai atur hang ni kini ka yeng ka IB ka badon kini ki pulit jong ka Assam tena kaliang ka jonga nga penram jor ye ka jingle jong ni ka pulit Assam bat kini ka jingle ka long illegal nama kat kum ke jing ekran baro arut ki SP jong gari boy bak hamran kalong baya ka patrolling hi bot sa imla ban khat ka Meghalaya jong I kala ban wan yai patrolling ka Assam kala ban yai patrolling nama ka disputed te hen rei ke jingle jong ka Assam hang ni pade ban bu I ni polis hang ni kalong illegal tingi sngo kemen ba mentang hadin ke jing wan ke jong hang ni Meghalaya SP jong I lapoi hang ni SP jong gari boy DSP bade in charge hang ni lapoi border magistrate jong I lapoi nang tade ADC jong I lapoi hang ni tingi so kemen ba Meghalaya jong police department Meghalaya district administration jong I ila sim ye kani ka kam ka bakirki.
The Joint Action Committee against Umngot Hydroelectric Project today urged Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister to cancel the project. Speaking to the media, leaders of the Joint Action Committee said that the Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister, Preston Tinsong, assures them that he will place this matter at the Cabinet before taking a final decision on the matter. They also said that the construction of the Umngot Hydroelectric Project will not only destroy the land and paddy fields of the people, but it will destroy the scenic beauty of the river, which attracts tourists from all over the world.
Holder of tourism in the state of Meghalaya. We have met the Deputy Chief Minister regarding the concern of Umlaper. As a stakeholder of tourism, I support the move of the JC. I will go right into the history of tourism in the state of Meghalaya. Prior to 2013, our season, tourism season in the state of Meghalaya is confined to only 6 months. That is from April, May, June, July, August, September. While the rest 6 months we considered them as off-season because there were no tourists coming during the lean season. Lean season in the sense that it's a dry, there's no monsoon, dry weather. Interestingly, after the year 2013-14, the scenario has totally changed. We started getting tourists even in the off season also. The reason being the discovery of this river Umbat and activities along this river, like people are taking campsite and boating along the Umbat river. It is very clear that this Umbat river has attracted tourists from all over the country as well as from abroad. We would regard 3 strong assets of the state in terms of tourism. Number 1 is the living root villages. Number 2, the discovery of Shillong as the cleanest village in Asia. And number 3, is the discovery of the clear water of Umlaper. So we are here to support the GEC in the sense that we don't want to lose any asset of our state. By touching Umlaper, I think it is too risky. And if you see, Umlaper is the only river that is being protected by the villagers also. 10 years back, I think the council used to hire the river, lease the river to individual for activities as you will know. They will do netting, they will destroy the river. But in the last 7 years, what he had mentioned is we also respect him, that he has told us that this matter will be taken by him personally in the cabinet. I think we will respect his what he had said just now, and I think he will be seriously discussing this matter with the cabinet and colleagues.
The Sinjuk Ginong Sinshar Shnong Kabri Uhnyotrap and Northeast Students Organization today discussed the amendment of the 6th schedule of the constitutions. The two organizations decided not to accept the Panchayati Raj system that exists in the plain of India, as the traditional institutions are already under the autonomous district councils. Speaking to the media, one of the leaders of Kasinjuk Ginong Sinshar Shnong Kabri Uhnyotrap, R.L. Bla, said that the most critical point in the amendment of the 6th schedule of the constitution is the part that speaks of the unrepresented tribes. He also said that people should not be happy with the idea of increasing the seats of public representatives. What is important is to ensure the seats should not be filled up by
Nakaliang jungi kasinjuk Ginong Sinshar Shnong Kabri Uhnyotrap rongkat bat iba samal jerwa ba jai jong kaneso pagi opor President Berem KSU ba balba rani hyper iba lengkot nilai phone nilai kenduk para mengi mar hambe debat kani amendment jong 6 schedule nilai lembar di snap menyebut din ya ka nilai sedeli digalawan ke parliamentary committee hang ni ha Shillong ru au snap arja khat khandai aga arpotret jong December ba kasakut haduk mentah kata amendment jong 6 schedule kaslan ni Henry kansan ni ini haki lak thai ko ba chief minister jungi ulakhat ya baro laingut ki CM jong ilai tuli kita sponsor te bakami ska public domain kam shai halor ke ai ka nong rem ba khat leki banyak ra ini ngisngo bagi don ke benta ke bakrau ke kri ngila but din bagi snap mark amendment jong 6 schedule kam dei ke bawan sisen license sisen samsna sisen sanpros nam go pakalong mata ning ngila bat ong sisen cerita bro ti kan ngin hap long kiba pikir kiba benya bha ban bishar bin po ben ba kadhum bakala nabenta kalawei jong kiwei patang kiba hadin jongi kumta de kemensiam ko bakhyang ngila phone ye ba titos khan bolong CM jong ga council ba nakal yang kejongi bangila yo i ko board ba lasha ke dengan deadline bo chief minister ubo bo khat bang ni ngila phone i ba ngidaya one karki bani kedul i menta sni ikimat kiba kongsan hi bangia kran hane kadai kamtan ya itu ikentin unrepresented tribe marto kakta yang ni Hakasi Hills batha Garo Hills Kijenti Hills kimele taba hakabede but ka number of seats but pen the number of seats dia kaniro in haplong gibo siar bha ndei ba ngit man to ho bala bon khabon kita ki MDC ki jongi Henry ngin pe perman ru ba yo ni bakala yo haga jaka kita ki seats bengi create khambon ndei shu di beri oleh jong banwan ya kata ru ni ha ban pe bha ban ni ru haga jing start jong ki ni genomic smart ki jongi tingi nga pau kita kaliang ki jongi kabala hagwe amni panchayati raj hi layer wa he marba ngidon just councils ki jongi bat hapo kay niki North Eastern States ke jong ni dan security ADCs berang dan haduk mata but ikini ngikwa pan pensa pan penne iki kumbagi julong but ngila kwaru ban pensyahi ngila ikren himantan but di council ru ba ke council kan itu baik tang yaki borsno but ngidot kamru ya kata ke jing itu but ke jing petkop bor but ha ke jing ikren tan la small to ban kaliang ke council kam dan kanu ka jing small kho nyo ni ka objection na kaliang jongki mar ke council kadiga thamme gi jungi ki dor borsno but kasanat ngiyo no se mele naki sem ke pafer ti kide hina council ti kanne but sutanat ba negaliang CM ong ba ya kiri dor borsno nakaliang jungi council long nila itu lupa fi ti ngims ngau ai lada ka state government ka nang pen kham khan bor shu ya phi da ka ba ka ru ka itu no phi ti kita hi kidei kistan bujong em halor kata hi nagaliang ka parliamentary committee ro ka ai ya kata ka cushion khandia ka don ka time limit ban i ha ka state government ban shime kara ti kata ngin se shong biang rengkat bat hadian ke jing ya kendo jong ki MDC bat the government le shages ni ki MDE jong ni ngin se kendo biang sisir ba ngin yo bani shong lang bat MDE bat MDC bat ki dor barsno halor ngin persya ba ki ni mar pilatip ki dor barsno ko bukalong apa gabri hunyo tra ki dei ki kenro pakhat do jong jai benre ko jong ni tel ngidu ngidam ki Dorbas nong jungi temot ngilakut kemudian re tak nong ni flashpot.
The conglomeration of NGOs from Janta Hills, which includes the JSU, KSU, HYC, JYF, JSM, MPUF and others under the banner of Kasur Kinong Jantia will be organizing a Black Flag Peace Rally on the 26th of this month as a mark to condemn the recent encounter of former HNLC leader Cheris Starfield Thankyou on the 13th of this month. At a press briefing, the General Secretary of the Jantia Students' Union, Jersom Shilla, informed that the peace rally will begin from Kleriat and culminate in Jowai, whereby a meeting will also be held in order to ensure peace and security in the state.
State yomi jing itu jing sak set dia ba Chester pel thank you ina liang yomi w sem go siansi hadin de yo yini ko bor wa yo le jing le ambor le liang go sorkar gi pulit na chim gi men sem lo lu ni klem depan man gawon ga investigation dan ego lagi direct offset yo bro halor gini de yo wa ka state yo ro go wi de mon go le ni de siansi gi jing yap yong ni ro rang ba the yogi jingjia wa aga khatsan tarik jing sket kesngi ulai dot dari India andre dio panban hari ke si daman ga kesngi roman bodom ha kesngi iga state of Europe ovi ila kam kinong ilam ting sari boy ke jingjia ni ban se yo au jia wa iwan adena bot takam te go wi ke sur da rai ga meeting upan mani ako witrik apo is jangkia siru ko jing yang blang Europe ki san bahala pa mat nila aku litrik apa wazengkia depan man yang meeting terai penman yang peaceful rally te kerpat report wa viewer gi pai ba nong tong snong yang khas yang ga Jante Hills woro kowi wi snok tilang bi kam tam le kwa yu put ye gi sunjuk wa he snong yi tuan gi parasen bahalang gi umbiu kok man gamlang churu wi nang wa yu penman gi ni program wa
The State Bank of India Shillong Zonal Office today donated food items to the open day shelter at Umkrat, Nongman Song in Shillong as part of its corporate responsibilities to the society. Speaking to the media, the General Manager Thangboy Lunkiam informed that these food items that were given to the orphanage center run by Shillong Reach Ministries is part of its corporate social responsibility. Dunkiam said the bank will provide essentials to persons belonging to weaker sections of the society, and people in need should come to the bank to avail these help.
Donate this rice and grocery items for the benefit of the children who are parentless and children who are running away from their parents. The 24 Hours Crisis Management Center for Children, operating under the Rich Ministry Shillong, have been running for the upliftment of these children. So State Bank of India is privileged to be a part of it, and we have donated this rice and grocery items, estimating around 90,000, nearly less than about 1 lakh of rupees. This may not be sufficient for the needs of the organization, but however, we feel that this will go a long way. Being a part of this organization, we are very much a part of this organization by helping the cause of these children. So State Bank shows our love and concerns and care for the children who are underprivileged. This is the mission that we also follow. And under this corporate social responsibilities, we donate these things on behalf of State Bank of India. Thank you so much.
Speaking to the media, Penkrau Boklang Nongpur, the caretaker of these children, said the center also provides productive training so that they can stand on their own feet after leaving the center.
Kidan na jongki ke jongki ke barang biang kemudian ipai ki di school di kidan ki kena apa ki bawan na kalong yang nama ba kemudian ke family background ke jongki ba kimla ban pa school de ki ke jongki kam mehab so ki ban pa school de ngipai ki de kini ki vocational trainings de nalon nang tapat gidan ya kanika after care ke pengikhat ke after care program kemudian ke dei ya ki kena ki ba above 18 de once kini ki kena ki lakras ke 18 years ke jenjar bayangi bangin kita biang ki nama ba dan napring joki kidi often kim dan bahiyang bahasam de deklak ras ke 18 years kim padan ka kam ka jam ko babiang de ngile kom nang ngikete yaki hakani ka after care de lingba kani ka after care kamun ipe yaki ngikai yaki ni life skill kom no ba ki la ban penan kam ha ki jing joki kum kini ki pen ni lingba kini training sebangi pha yaki de kamut ki yo yaki kam ki jam ba lingba jong kini kam ki jam yaki kamut ki la banyeng ha ki jong ki jat kan.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.